Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So, hindi ko na-end yung vlog kagabi kasi we just had fun dancing with my roomies.
Hey!
Hey! Anyway, we're getting ready for our workout this morning. Ang kalat na ng kama ko agad. Nag-makeup na ako. And we're in our Sasa activewear kasi we're gonna have Pilates this morning. Then with my makeup, I used the La Doctress blush. Grabe, like isang tuldok lang. Boom, bonggang-bongga. And then, yung hair ko kanina umaga, winash ko. And then, my gosh, it's purple na ulit. So I think, mga 2 to 3 washes na lang, blue na siya ulit. Like, blue. So, yan, I got the color from, from Urban Mermaid PH. It's from the brand La Riche in Ebony. Pero yun, kasi blue na blue. Purple kasi nag-start to, kaya parang hindi siya masyadong kumakapit, I guess. Okay, let's get our hair done. Here's the resort this morning. Alam mo, may mga ginagawa pa silang mga villas over here. Ang dami, ang lawak ng property na to. It's so nice. Ayan, so we're getting ready for the shoot here. May nakapila pa sa hair, so balik na lang tayo. By the way, ang sakit ng arms namin. Dami kong pasa from playing volleyball. Look. Done with my hair. So we went for braids. Cute. Perfect for a workout. Arla is getting ready for her segment after the workout. Arla! Kagabi, grabe, in-introduce ni Arla sa akin tong dark chocolate. Super sarap talaga. They also have other stuff. We have turmeric powder, dark roasted cacao nibs. So all of these are from Farm to Folk. Thank you, Farm to Folk! Meron silang moringa powder. Oh, diba? Oh my gosh. May berries daw dito from... Oh, there! From Crate to Plate. Oh, bongga. Oh, here you go. Whole strawberries. Nice. Masarap magluto pag ganito kalaki yung kitchen mo. Look!
I know!
Girl, diba? Actually, si Arla's prepping. Nag-vlog niya ata ako yun.
This is like my role.
Help natin si Arla mag-mash ng garbanzos.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yum! Berries. This is, I think, kale. Kale ba to? No, spinach. Spinach. Bongga. Cute na mga workout clothes ng Sasa. Pinaka-love ko yung print na yun. That print is so nice. Ito yung favorite print ko. Oh, so pretty.
Yours na lang.
Hey! Was so cute. Look. Love it. Swimsuit for today. Last layout na. Last agenda for today. It's a cooking demo by Plant-Based Filipina, si Arla. Exciting! Ask ko na yung hair ko. Init kasi, girl. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! Time to eat.
Ito yung ginawa ni Arla for lunch. Oh! Ibang kitang living room. Akit ka pa. So nice.
Super cute high-waisted swimwear with a salmon top, and you are?
And I'm wearing the activewear, sports bra and shorts.
Okay.
Okay, so just to recap of what we have almond butter, and then we put almond milk, and then we put peanut butter for the protein, and then we put MCT oil for the fats. And then for the fiber, we will be putting chia seeds, but then you can also use flax seeds. Yeah, so we're gonna put all that. And then the next part of the wash it all. And then there's the fat from the peanut butter, and then there's all of your vegetables. Dance while doing it. Garbanzo beans is like the other name of it, and then you're just supposed to mash it until it will. There we go. And then just some salt and pepper. Also, if you want. There we go. And then
Sobrang sarap, grabe.
you can also
Love it.
more.
Yes,
Start
little
like
bit.
eating healthy
Thank you.
and want to like really get into their diet. Start with one. For example, just 1 week.
Yum, yum,
So
yum. Oh my gosh. Super sarap. Grabe. Then we have the salad that Arla made for everyone. Girl, super sarap. Gawin ko to sa bahay. Lalo na this one, sarap. Wow. Goodbye, room! Like, babay sa room. Yay! Check out na kami. Hey guys, so I'm back in Manila and Sunday na today. I knocked out kagabi. Sobrang pagod talaga ako. But anyway, we're heading to back home kasi kumuha lang ako ng car from Hertz. So, another rental for today. So, we're gonna bring Kaimu to his dog show today. And then we're gonna have lunch with Mama and my sister. My favorite playlist. Bob is here! Ready ka na, Baba? Ready ka na sa show? Oh, Baba! Hindi ko na-vlog sila, Mama, pero we ate sa Rico's Lechon. And then sila kain muna sa dog show ngayon. I'm gonna go after I run a few errands.